Hi, I'm Patricia Davis Brown, owner of Patricia Davis Brown Designs. I'm a licensed interior designer specializing in whole house design, kitchens and bath design, as well as lighting design. Today we're going to talk about how to light a featured wall and accentuate the architecture of the room at the Lighting Experience Center by Ripple Associates in Ultimate Springs, Florida. Okay, we're going to talk about how to light a feature wall. And a feature wall, in a lot of cases, has something like a cladding, like a brick cladding, a stone cladding that you see here. I've done carved wood, wallpaper, shiplap, but it's a featured wall. And this particular one here is a stone clad. And we're going to talk about how the different ways we can bring out the character of the wall. Right now, we have a 2-inch aperture and we have it 8 inches out from the wall. The closer we go to the wall, the more of the shadows and the gnarliness of this stone is going to show. So in some cases, you want to bring that character out, but you just kind of need to know what your intention is. So the further we move this away from the wall, the more flat the detail is going to be. Another thing that we would need to take into consideration in this particular wall would be the Kelvin temperature. Right now there's a 3000 Kelvin in here. I wouldn't recommend that. To me, you've already got gray stone, a lot of gray in that wall, and it's kind of washing that out. So I would have used a 2700 Kelvin, which would have warmed up this stone a little bit, and then I would have brought it back closer to the wall just to bring out the character that I'd be looking for if I was using this stone cladding. Lighting is our friend when it comes to accentuating the architecture of the room. We've talked about the featured wall and how to light that, but then we don't want to ignore the architectural columns, do we? So a sconce, giving us up light and down light, will accentuate the columns. Another thing that it does is it gives us a layered lighting plan, which is always preferable. That gives the homeowner the control over the room, over their light levels, setting their scenes for the mood of the room, the ambient lighting.